afternoon. So nice to see you all today. My name is Mr. Curley. I'm the band director here at Madison Elementary, and I'm also fortunate enough to be the band director at Olympia High School. Thank you so much. We have a really special, 1, 2, 3. Big one, the tenor sax, and the alto saxophone. We also have trombone, which is in the middle row here. Trombones, if you want to hold up. Trombone is the instrument that I grew up playing. It's a great and weird and wacky and fun instrument. And then in the very back, we've got trumpets. We love the trumpets. Trumpets get to play high notes and fast notes quite a bit. And then for jazz band, especially, we have our rhythm section. So we've got Tyler back on the drum set. This is super fun. Niall's playing guitar, as well as flute today. We've got Calder on the bass, and then we've got Erik on piano, and we've got Annabelle back there, who's covering a little bit of everything, including piano. So jazz band is really fun because we get to have basically like the rock band set up, along with the horns. We're going to do Dragon Warrior, which is a concert band piece, and so you're going to get to see as well flute. Niall's back there on our flute. We've got clarinets, which you hold up your instruments, gay clarinet, including bass clarinet. This is Daisy. She plays just about everything. And then we've also got, I think that's it for our extending, right? Yeah. Okay, so here we are on Dragon Warrior.
But then I tried band, and it was really fun because we play all as a group and work together as a group, and we'll play different pieces. And like sometimes a different instrument will get a solo, or somebody will get a solo, and it's really cool because we all work as a group. And once you go on stage like once or twice, then you notice it's not scary.
Because everyone is just as good at playing an instrument because everyone's working together. The difference is just practice.
I think people should join band, not orchestra.
Band, although we don't have anything
cool.
against it.
I mean, yeah, orchestra is really fun. I was in orchestra last year. Also, if you do join band, join trumpet, because trumpet's
Really fun.
Band is a really fun place to make friends and have a good time. It does take up a little bit of your time in school, but it's worth it, especially when you get to play so much instruments and the variety is better.
I think everyone should join band because you have a fun time and you make more friends. And even it does take part of your time. I personally love playing the clarinet because it's just like a different instrument compared to the other players because most of them are brass and clarinet's like only like pretty much one of the only wood instruments. And if you go to band next year, you get to play so many new instruments and play with more people. And that concert was amazing.